Namaste everyone, welcome to Educational Nexus Point. Today we shall deal with etymology and definitions of yoga, a very interesting and very small topic. Tracing back to the root in Sanskrit for the word yoga. The word yoga is originated from Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite or to join or to yoke. It is completely the union of body, mind, and soul, or what you call as spirit. It refers to the union of individual consciousness with universal consciousness, that is, Jivatma with Paramatma, or the ultimate reality, or joining individual self with the universal self. Coming to the classical definitions of yoga from various texts, the Patanjali Yoga Sutra defines yoga as the cessation of the fluctuation of mind. Bhagavad Gita, the ancient Indian scripture, describes yoga as skillful and systematic practice of controlling body, mind, and soul. And other ancient texts such as the Upanishads, Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Girinda Samhita offer diverse interpretations of yoga, emphasizing various practices of it. But we have certain definitions which are very famous. So let's know what it is. First one is Yogaha Karmashu Kaushalam. It is given in Bhagavad Gita. It means yoga is dexterity in action. The next is Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. It is given in Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Patanjali Maharshi. It means by controlling mind, we can reach the original state, or we can reach the ultimate destination where we have to be. And the third famous definition is Mana Prashamanopayaha Yoga Ithyabhidyathe. It is given in Yoga Vasishta. Yoga, it means yoga is a skillful trick to calm down the mind. Then coming to the next definition, yoga is a conscious process of gaining mastery over the mind. Even this definition is given by Maharshi Patanjali. Yoga is methodological conscious effort towards self-development of personalities latent in the individual. This is the definition given by Sri Aurobindo. And coming to the next definition given by Swami Vivekananda, yoga is not just physical exercise, but it is a holistic practice encompassing physical, mental, and spiritual aspects. So these are the few famous definitions. You can find many definitions as you get it in Patanjali Yoga Sutra and Bhagavad Gita and other ancient texts also. These are the few famous ones. Next, coming to the modern interpretations of yoga in the Western world. What does Western world think about yoga? Yoga in Western world is often associated with physical postures or physical practices and breathing techniques. Now it is well versified and they have moved towards mental and emotional well-being. Yoga is believed to have enhanced the clarity, mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall well-being. The overall well-being includes the spiritual growth. Yoga continues to be practiced as the path of spiritual enlightenment, self-realization, and liberation. But yoga has many misconceptions. What are the misconceptions? How to overcome over all these misconceptions? Body-mind connection. There is one misconception regarding this. Yoga isn't just about the physical flexibility. It's about connecting your mind, body, and your breath. All these together in the balance gives you the result. So it is not just only the physical practice which gives only physical flexibility. Beyond flexibility, yoga isn't solely about contorting yourself into complex poses, but it is a holistic practice or holistic approach. It is also the inner journey. You can delve yourself. Yoga is a personal journey of self-discovery. It is not just comparing yourself to others, how they are and how you are, but you have to compare yourself and achieve your inner journey. These are the few misconceptions we have to overcome through. Coming to the evolution of yoga from ancient practice to global phenomenon, ancient roots, origination of yoga was from India thousands of years ago during Rishi Munis. Yoga was practiced initially as a spiritual discipline. In modern popularity, yoga is spread to the West and Eastern countries in late 19th and 20th centuries, gaining immense popularity as a physical fitness and wellness practice. But after COVID, maybe it has vastly spread over across countries, having its major importance not only for physical flexibility, for also mental and physical and emotional well-being. Coming to the next one, it's what is a global phenomenon. Today, yoga is practiced worldwide, adapting to the diversified culture and lifestyle. Many types of yoga are practiced. In ancient terms, we had certain types of yoga. Now, every country or everyone has their own type of practicing yoga. We can see chair yoga, we can see many other types of yogas. Chair yoga is for the ones who can't sit down, who don't have much flexibility. They can do chair yoga. All these kinds. This is an example. You have many other kinds: Nada yoga, Laya yoga. But initially, yoga wasn't divided. Then, later times, when it comes to later times, it was divided as Hatha yoga. From starting with Hatha yoga, it got divided to various forms of yoga, and now it is a global phenomenon that it is practiced worldwide, adopting the diversified cultures and lifestyles, and it has continued to evolve, offering a spectrum of styles. Taking all these into considerations, the key takeaways are yoga is multifaceted practice that transcends physical postures. It's about fostering a deeper connection with your inner self and cultivating a sense of peace and well being. So, this is about the session today. It's a very small, very small topic to start our sessions with. So, coming days we'll have much more videos, much more topics. Every week you'll be having 2 to 3 videos. So please subscribe the channel, like the videos, share with your friends. Click on for the notifications so that you receive the video as soon as it is updated in YouTube. Thanks for your cooperation and watch out for the next video.